You've been studying English for years. Grammar books, vocabulary apps, YouTube videos, and you still freeze when someone actually talks to you. You know why? Because you're not learning English. You're just reading about it. The harsh truth. Here's what nobody tells you. Your brain doesn't learn languages by studying. It learns by using. You can memorize 10,000 words. You can know every grammar rule. But if you're not speaking every single day, you're wasting your time. There are people who studied English for 2 years and speak fluently. And there are people who studied for 10 years and can barely order coffee. The difference? One group speaks, the other group studies. Why you're failing. You think you need to be ready before you speak. You're waiting until your grammar is perfect, until your accent is better, until you know more words. That day will never come, because here's the brutal truth. You don't get fluent and then start speaking. You get fluent by speaking. Every day you're silent is a day you're training your brain to stay silent. You're building a habit of fear, of hesitation, of translation in your head instead of thinking in English. And that habit? It gets stronger every single day you avoid speaking. Here's how you fix it. 4 steps, starting today. Step 1. Speak even when you're alone. Talk to yourself in English, out loud. Describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. Now I'm opening my laptop. Narrate your thoughts. I need to finish this project. Maybe I should start with the easiest part. Sounds crazy? Good. Crazy works. Your brain needs repetition. Give it repetition. Step 2. Find one person to speak with every day. Not once a week, not when you feel ready, every day. Language exchange apps, online tutors, Discord servers, Facebook groups. 15 minutes is enough, but it has to be every day. Consistency beats intensity, always. Step 3. Stop translating, start thinking. When you speak, your brain wants to translate from your native language. That's the trap. That's why you're slow. That's why you sound unnatural. Force yourself to think directly in English, even if it's simple, even if it's broken. I want go store is better than sitting silent while you search for perfect grammar. You'll fix the grammar later. First, you need to build the muscle. Step 4. Make mistakes on purpose. This is the secret the fluent speakers know. They're not perfect. They just don't care about being perfect. Every mistake you make is data. Your brain learns from it, but only if you actually make the mistake out loud. Silent studying equals 0 mistakes equals 0 learning. Speaking every day equals tons of mistakes equals rapid improvement. Smart learning versus dumb learning. Dumb learning is, I'll study for 2 hours, then practice speaking when I'm better. Smart learning is, I'll speak for 15 minutes every morning, even if I sound terrible. Dumb learning is watching English movies with subtitles in your language. Smart learning is watching English movies with English subtitles and repeating sentences out loud. Listen. Every day you study without speaking, someone else with worse grammar than you is having full conversations. They're getting jobs you want. They're making connections you need. They're living the life you're preparing for. Fluency isn't a destination. It's a daily practice. And the only way to get there is to open your mouth and start. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when you feel ready. Today. Right now. Say something in English. Out loud. The clock is ticking.